Throat Lozenge 101. Soothing your sore throat. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but useful term, throat lozenge. It's a word you might come across when you're feeling under the weather. So let's find out what it means and how it's used. A throat lozenge is a small, typically medicated tablet intended to be dissolved slowly in the mouth to soothe irritated tissues of the throat. These are commonly used when someone has a sore throat or a cough. The key components of a lozenge are ingredients like menthol, eucalyptus oil, or honey, which help in providing relief. Throat lozenges are primarily used for temporary relief from discomfort caused by sore throats, coughs, or cold symptoms. They are not a cure, but they help in reducing the irritation and scratchiness in the throat. It's important to remember that lozenges are not suitable for very young children due to the risk of choking. Throat lozenges come in various forms and flavors. Some are sugar-free, others might contain herbal ingredients, and some are designed for specific symptoms like a dry cough or throat inflammation. Popular flavors include lemon, honey, and mint. To use a throat lozenge, simply place it in your mouth and let it dissolve slowly. Do not chew or swallow it whole. The idea is to allow the medication to gently coat the throat. Typically, one lozenge is used every 2 hours as needed. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand what a throat lozenge is and how it's used. Remember, while they are helpful for minor throat irritation, it's always best to consult a healthcare provider for persistent symptoms. Stay healthy and keep learning.